Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a different kind of video for you guys today. So I've done something like this before in the past. I don't know if you guys like these videos or not. They don't tend to do that well, but I'm gonna keep doing them because I'm enjoying them. So one for me, one for you, okay? We got this. Sorry I look like a bit of a hot mess today. I've been filming, I was gonna say all day and that's such a lie. I've been filming for a couple of hours and it's now cold, so hence my little zip hood. But anyway, let's get into the video. So this is just the introduction to what I'm going to film. So this is gonna be maybe be like a couple of days of me filming. So I've been sent this hair by Luvme hair, and it is an affordable luxury wig company. I don't know if you guys have ever heard about them before, and I was fortunate enough for them to send me their hair. I'm gonna show you guys the hair as well in a minute and the stuff that I got in my box. So this is a 14-inch body wave lace wig. It's very cute. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got in my box. So it came like this. Very beautiful packaging. Like, I have had wigs from other companies and they do put them in a box, but this box is like an actual box. So yeah, you can always keep your wig in there if you want to. And in there comes the hair, and they gave me a little like curling iron, which I think is the most cutest thing ever. Like I'm literally just like flabbergasted or baffled by that. A little message on there as well, and then they gave me 2 wig caps, and they also gave me a little pouch with Luvme on there, and it's got, I think, a headband. So it's got a headband, bobby pin, a edges brush, and how cute is this Luvme clip? Like, how cute is that? And some tweezers as well, which every girl needs. So my wig came in a little bag, and I was actually surprised that it came with a little foam in there to keep the shape, and it came with a band already attached on the sides. So that literally saves me so much time. Or if you're someone who doesn't like gluing down your wigs and stuff, you just want to put your wigs on like real quick and stuff, they literally already did it for me, and that is absolutely perfect. But like, you guys, I don't know if you can see already, like the knots are so good. Like, look at that. Like, do you even need to bleach the knots? Obviously, maybe me, I am gonna bleach the knots for this hair, and this is what it looks like. I'm so excited to put this on my head, and yeah, just show you guys obviously how it turns out. So oh, I really love this clip. This brings me back to like 2019. Yeah, 2019, when everyone was wearing the clips that said like babe, boss, like girl power, all that on their head. This literally brings me back, because I remember I bought some from ASOS back then. I am so excited for this. So just stay tuned to watch me bleach the knots XYZ, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will be back with me applying the wig, etc. Guys, so I've just looked at the Luvme curling wand, and I am shocked, because look at this. Right, so it goes up to 200 degrees, that's the highest I think, and I was just like, what is all these little bits and bobs on here? So this little thing at the back, this little thing at the back, you pull it down and you can angle, so you don't have to be doing like, you don't have to be like, you could, oh stop it, they've changed the game. Okay, let me put this back. And then it's a crimp as well. Like, what? And then if you flick this little thing up here, it's a straight nut. Guys, I wouldn't even have to. If you're going on holiday, yeah, and you need to do everything in one, you literally do everything in that. Like, what? I am baffled. They are so good. Thank you, Luvme. Like, this is perfect. I am baffled. I am shocked. I am shocked. I am shocked. I am shocked. The only thing is, it's this plug, so you'd have to get a plug extender. But if you're going on holiday, they usually tend to have these weird little plug things. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, if you are if you can't be bothered to watch the whole video and you just want a discount code, I've actually got one for you. Buachie 20. So Buachie 20. So it's BUACHIE 20. That is a promo code, and it gets you 10% off. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, bye. Can you believe I almost forgot to record this audio? Anyway, here's the hair. As you can see, there's the knots. They're really, really tiny. And then I'm just using Got To Be Glued to spray on the like flyaways to make sure that they don't end up getting bleached by accident. And I'm just using like a I don't know what that brush is called, but I'm using like a coarse brush to brush it away. So I'm using the Jerome Russell 40 developer and their bleach that comes in like the box packets, and I find this so easy for me because it's basically already a mixture done and you don't have to like try and measure and get the right consistency. Anyway, so I was trying to figure out which way to bleach my hair, and for some reason, I don't know why, my brain must have been off that day. I just completely did it wrong, where I should have turned it upside down, inside out. So you'll see I will flip it afterwards anyway. And as you can see, I've already like applied the bleach. So I use a very light hand when spreading it, almost like when you spread butter on bread. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's now folding over because I put it the wrong way around. I don't know why I did that because this is not usually how I bleach my wigs. So I had to use like a little tissue to like wrap around the headband bit. It was long. Don't be me, okay? But yeah, I just spread that on there, and then after I do that, I leave it to sit like that for a bit. So and then gravity can like slowly fall into the bleach. And then if you want it to be like, if you want it bleached quick, turn it over and put the wig on the foil itself, like the bleach side, and that way it will bleach very quickly. But yeah, I've been bleaching my wigs now for a while, so it's kind of like easy peasy for me. But yeah, use a very light hand. You don't want to press into the frontal, because what will happen is you'll just end up bleaching the hairs, which is what we do not want. And then now I'm just rinsing it in my kitchen sink. Sorry about the lighting, there's like, it's just a whole plug situation. I couldn't find a plug close enough. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just I'm just washing it and then rinsing it first. And don't worry about my hands, because basically when water touches bleach, it's like no longer active. And then I'm just using some purple shampoo just to wash the frontal. And I love the smell of this purple shampoo, it's amazing. And then I'm just using some conditioner. Am I using conditioner first? I think I used some shampoo and then I went in with conditioner. Guys, my brain is like not working today. But yeah, no, I used the purple shampoo, and then because it's basic shampoo, and then I used some conditioner on the hair. And then now I am just going to show you how I quickly pluck the wig. So funny enough, after doing this plucking method, which I learned from YouTube, I've now changed it all over again. So the next time I get a wig, I'll show you guys how I pluck my wigs now. But yeah, I'm just plucking it lightly. This hair, you didn't actually need a lot of plucking. Like, I kind of prefer my wigs full in the front, like somewhat full, because when it sheds nicely. Like, it sheds into the natural kind of like form. So if you're especially new to plucking and stuff, you don't necessarily need to pluck it. You probably just need to pluck like the very front at least. But yeah, my thing has changed, and I'm using their Luvme's what's it called, tweezers as well. They gave me tweezers, and their tweezers are so good. But yeah, it's just me plucking the wig. So like when I pluck the bits I want to pluck, and then I brush all the hair back, and then I see if I need to go in a bit more, then I do that. But yeah, it's just like a process. Don't rush, don't pluck in one spot as well, because then you end up with bald patches. And now I'm just moving on to the sides, plucking that. It's just a learning process, guys. Like, don't be scared. It looks more scary than it actually is. And just pluck your hair whilst watching TV. It makes it so much easier. But yeah, that is it, guys. And stay tuned for part 2, where you see me apply the wig. And yeah, thank you.